Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a checkbox in Google Sheets. So these are really helpful. For example, if you're a teacher and you want to create a list of your students and check off when they've done their homework, or if you want to make a shopping list, for example, and tick off what you've bought. This is how you do it. So I'm going to create my page and use the teacher example. Have they done their homework? And then we're going to put some names down the side. So Bobby, Sarah, Katie, Alan, Tim. That will do for now. So going to make that a little bit bolder. Then we're going to add our check boxes in here so I can tick off when they've done their homework. So it's really easy to do. Just click on the first cell where you want the checkbox. Then I'm going to click on insert and scroll down, and you should have checkbox, or it might say tick box depending on where you live. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see a little tick box has been added. So instead of wasting time doing that for every single cell, I can just click on that blue dot, scroll, put a drag down, and the checkboxes will be added to each cell. Then I can go ahead and tick boxes when homework or the jobs are done. If you want to uncheck them, just tap back on them again. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.